Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Elphaba from Wicked. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Elphaba from Wicked, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down and then up here. We'll make this side come up a little bit. Now let's start at the bottom of the hat. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come out like this. Then starting here, we're going to curve around, and we're going to make that same line. And then we're just going to curve it around here. Now, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down for some hair. And then I'm going to curve this part of the hat down. And I'm only going to bring this part in a little bit because we're going to add something different on this side. Next, I'm going to draw a line straight across so we can work on the hat. Let's start here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to come up to kind of like a curved point. So we're just going to kind of curve this, make it to a point, and then bring it down. I'm going to draw two curved lines right here. Two curved lines right here. Two here. And then we'll do two more right at the top. Now let's work on the face. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for the eye. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's make an oval shape for the eye. Then I'm going to make an oval shape inside of the eyes. And I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white at the top for like a reflection. Let's make some eyelashes right across the top. And then let's make an eyebrow right across the top. It can kind of touch the bottom of the hat. We're going to make a little line for the nose, kind of like a little smiley face. And then we're going to make a nice big smile. We'll draw a little line on each end. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down and up. And we'll do a little line underneath here. Now over here we're going to just draw one ear. So we're going to make a little half oval shape for the ear. And we're going to make it look like this one's kind of covered up. Now for the neck, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve around the neck. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come out and down. And we're going to go out and then down. We're going to make it a little wavy across here. And then we're going to make a line that comes here and then a line that comes right here. We're going to put two little lines there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out like this for the arm. We're going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back. Let's make a little bump for the thumb. Then we're going to curve this line around for the hand. And we'll just connect it here. Over here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to come down and then bring it back. We're going to make a little curve here. And then we're just going to make a little line here for the hand. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out, down, and in. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to come down here, and then out and down. We're going to bring a line here and a line here. Then before we do any more, for her feet, let's just draw a line that's going to come out. And that's going to come up here like that. Then same thing here, we're just going to go out, over, and in. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and over. And then we're going to make a line that's just going to come down and then over. We can draw a little line between the feet too. Next, starting here, we're just going to make a little bit of like a wavy line for the hair. And we're just going to bring it up to here. And then we can make some kind of longer lines in here. We can also put a couple lines on the dress too. Now the last thing is we're just going to make the staff. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down. Then we're just going to go down and then up. And I shouldn't say staff, I guess I should say her broom. We're going to make some lines across here. And a little line is just going to come up and up here. And we're going to make some lines on the broom. And there you go, there is your drawing of Elphaba from Wicked. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.